Gen 3 Systainers by Festool! That's right, you want it, we got it. Now you can buy it from the best store. The Gen 3 Systainer was released recently, and people were asking us, what is the difference? So by using my superior customer service skills, I began rigorous research and came across a library of Festool videos. There's some great content, but more importantly, I found a really cool way to say Systainer.
Generation 3 Systainer.
But before we jump into this, give us a like and please subscribe to our channel to see more of this beautiful face. Alright, so what is the difference between Gen 2 and Gen 3? Well, we can start with the size of these guys. The Gen 3 is designed to eliminate separate storage and allow an all-in-one solution. Now the new Systainer 3 line doesn't only come in jumbo sizes. You have different types of storage to choose from, such as a medium and a large, a toolbox, and an organizer as well. So you have nothing to worry about because the new line can simply add to your mass collection of green. The biggest of the bunch, the XXL box, is the biggest Festool Systainer to date. And just like all other Festool Systainers, it's fully compatible. So you can T-lock the out of it. Lugging around your big tool separately is now a thing of the past. Festool's new XXL boxes feature load capacity of nearly 90 pounds and are designed to ensure that you can easily transport everything you need from the workshop to the job site. Now, for my favorite of the bunch, the toolbox. If you're like me, you tend to overpack to avoid less trips back to the truck, and if you're like me, you're probably a little hungry right now. The Systainer 3 Toolbox model provides an organized, easy-to-access solution in your workspace. This new toolbox, like the standard boxes, offers a broader base area for more space. It works best with hand tools, consumables, and accessories that you may frequently use, and they can be quickly stored and retrieved from this style of container. If small items are your specialty, or you just need a badass tackle box, the Systainer 3 organizer is a must-have. You got a broader base and small internal containers in 7 different sizes. You'll notice these bumps that are on the top and below these containers. What this does, it keeps all your bits and things in place while you're shaking the hell out of this thing. Lastly, we have the Sys cart, because who in their right mind wants to make more trips or carry a heavy ass load? The Sys cart creates a secure, non-slip base for transporting nearly anything you need over long distances, such as parking areas or large construction sites. A secure locking brake on 2 of the wheels ensures that the cart can rest securely wherever you need it. And a 220-pound load capacity allows you to transport your heavy tools, accessories, or materials where you need them. Again, like everything else, stack any type of Festool Systainer on this cart. It's fully compatible. So believe it or not, this was just a very brief overview of the Gen 3. I'm open to answer any questions you have, or even make another video if I get a lot of the same questions. Regardless, we're here to help you find the right tool for the job. So you can read more or shop with the links below. Thank you for sticking around to the end. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.